slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words you can say in the back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last. Yeah.
Flower market is on this side. This is the entrance of the bird garden. So I'm going to go into the bird garden first. Look at the bird garden, then I'm going to go to the flower market. From there I'm going to go to the fish market. It's not like a normal fish like this. I think it's got the goldfish and all that. So just a decorative fish. So lunch, and then I'm going to go to the prawns. So that's the plan for today. So I'll keep you posted.
And wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Selling number of birds here. Oh my god, this is the Australian parrot.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. So I'm not giving up, no I'm not
giving
in.
Is
I
actually
will
not
make
a
it to
garden,
the
it's
top,
more like
taking
a
off
bird
the
market.
moment I
There's a lot
gotta
of
make it.
things,
I'm
a lot of
saving
people
every day
selling
to taste it.
birds,
I'm patient,
like
but my
parrots and
mind, it can
smaller
only
lovebirds
take it.
and
I'm
so on.
chasing a
It's not
dream
really a
that I've
garden.
had for several ages.
So the name is a little bit
Modern
misleading.
kingdom for the
So now I'm going to
taking.
go towards the flower market, which is just downstairs. So let's see how it looks like. So now I'm at the flower market looking at the flowers. So you can see there are a number of colorful flowers over here. Orchids. The people selling plants. On this side, different types of plants are over here. I can see some medicinal plants as well over here. This is again the entrance to the bird garden, which is not really a garden. And this is the flower market. So I'm going to start from here. Don't know the name of these. I don't know what these are, but these red ones, they look really cute. They are real. It's got like, I don't know how many thousand types of flowers it's got. All kinds of flowers which you can think of in the world. They are here. There's a lot of amazing flowers over here. So many roses. Wow. And they're pretty cheap. It's only 35. Wow, it's only 35 Hong Kong dollars for the full bunch. It's really cheap. Because it'll be like 7 Australian dollars for how many? 3 and 3, 6 and 9 of them. So 9 of them for just 7 Australian dollars. That's really cheap. They've got the lotus as well over here. So number of flowers. Just see how many types of roses they've got. They've got red, white, pink, white and pink, orange, peach. Yeah, it's amazing. There are different type of flowers over here. It's really pretty. So many different type of flowers and plants are available over here. Never seen anything like this before. These ones, they look really cute. I can't believe they are real. Like, they look so beautiful. It is so beautiful. Wow, just look at the type of flowers they've got. Some of them I've never seen in my life. And they're so pretty flowers. Hello. It's really beautiful.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, speaking fast. Knock the roast, I get gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell,
So this is the iconic, I think the ancient or the heritage boat as they like to call it.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
running in the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Grab it on and let you go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got